So if I have to cover my raised bed gardens for shade or for cold, I could build those hoops with PVC. Then I have to store the PVC, and I still need material on the top of them. Or I could build something more permanent like a greenhouse. I don't want that. I don't want to have to take something apart and I have to find someplace to put it. So I built me a little paracord framed garden enclosure that can be used in the winter to keep heat in, can be used with shade cloth, can be used to keep bugs out. Let me show you how I built that paracord frame for my raised bed garden. It's growing onions to protect them from the cold weather tonight. So you see what I have. I just built a little frame, the paracord, wrap them around, tie them, and then just staple them into the wood. And these middle ones have a little plastic cap. I don't know where I got those rods. And then the center rebar with a piece of hose. I'm just going to put that on there just so it doesn't poke through the blanket that I'm going to put on here. And I didn't write down on paper, is there one path through this where I only have to keep stringing one cord? Little math problem, but it's getting cold tonight. So we've got a line here at a height, got a line down the middle, got a line on the end. Need to tighten that yellow one up, it loosened up. Then I've got diagonals all the way. That's going to hold up my material. See how I stapled? I missed one on the left. I try not to go through the cord. A couple more on this side also. Keeps it nice and taut. There you go, it's nice and tight. I can put more clamps on, but each clamp is holding 2 blankets and plastic. Everything's up off the plants so they're not sinking. Even if it rains, there's enough webbing to keep the water from pooling up. Keep adjusting it. Make it tighter. So that worked fine. I noticed first time I tried it a couple months ago, we were in the mid-20s. I could see the evaporation underneath the bottom of the plastic, so it was holding the moisture in, and it was at least 40 degrees warmer underneath there. Tonight we may get down 28, 29. I think the onions are okay, but I don't want any ice or sleet or snow that happened falling on them. We've had a lot of rain last couple of days. So in case it gets too cold, let me show you what I add to this. I've got a little hot light stick I'm going to put underneath here, right from the material and the plants, not LED. That generates a tremendous amount of heat. If you touch it, it can burn your hands, and all that's going to get trapped underneath the plastic. I am using these larger clips. I do have smaller clips. It all depends on the amount of wind, what might fall on. I build the same frame for putting shades during the summertime or keeping bugs out. And there's less wind, I'll probably use these clips, and I won't have 3 layers of material anyway. Now, water can't get in this one, but that's okay. We've had a couple inches of rain lately. It's only supposed to be cold 2 or 3 nights in a row below freezing. So I'll just leave it like that, and we'll come back and check it. Let me add one other feature about this. I can make this any shape I want. So if I have taller plants and shorter plants, I can make one end taller and come down and make one end shorter. A lot of flexibility in how to shape these.